How to make $1,000 a day trading Forex. The ElevateTM trading system is a wealth-building system. It is a proven income-generating system that has been developed to help you to create regular income. The conservative profit strategy enables you to claim profits of up to $500 or more almost daily. Each time you turn a profit, that profit is put back into your investment account where it can be used to further invest and quickly generate profit over and over again. In essence, the ElevateTM system is a three-step process. The first step in this elite program is designed to remove companies that do not have the ability to make us money on a regular basis. It goes through great lengths to filter out and only include companies in the researched portfolio that are well established, have large cash reserves, successful products in our services, and are extremely profitable. These are some of the best oil, industrial, financial, technology and materials companies, etc. These are the companies that work diligently to generate more profits for themselves. More importantly, these are companies that you have the potential to make money on over and over again. Dealing with good quality companies is the first step in the repeated success of making money in the market with the ElevateTM system. The second step is finding out when is potentially the right time to buy these companies. The ElevateTM system works at light speed to analyze each company and seeks out the companies that are potentially ripe for the picking. This list of companies is referred to as the focus list and provides buying opportunities on an almost daily basis. This list contains a handful of companies from the researched portfolio that offers the highest potential to achieve $0.25, $0.50 and $1 per share gains within the next few days, and provides you with the potential for ongoing regular income. Once we know the potential timing to buy shares of any of the focus list companies, the third step is to find out what is the easiest profit to achieve. You find the answer to this by looking at the supporting information for the company. By using the software tools and a simple question and answer process, you are able to quickly evaluate such factors as earnings, positioning of the company, current news, and other fundamental information about each company to decide what profit target is potentially most achievable. The ElevateTM software includes all of the necessary information about each company so that you spend less time determining what profit target makes the most sense.